This research is to find out how stakeholder concerns are influencing and existing in the present urban flood management decision-making process. Through the initial survey, it found that the hydrology models and geographic information systems models or GIS models are frequently using for urban flood management decision-making. For that, combining hydro models and GIS models, it develops HydroGIS tools. Basically, those are developed by technical experts and used by non-technical decision-makers. Meantime, serious discussions are being held to integrate the recipient stakeholders in the flood management decision-making process. But when in the current HydroGIS tool development processes, such concerns are not adequately considered and are not well integrated. Further, it found that no guidelines are there to describe how to integrate recipients into the HydroGIS tools. Then, the present work developed a framework including intended stakeholders and the components which should be existed in the urban flood management HydroGIS tools. There, it identified 5 main components. First is hydro model. This is the hydrological model which created, or selected, for the particular situation. The hydrology modelers perform this activity. Second is GIS model. This is created by GIS modelers to provide required inputs and display outputs of the hydro model. The third is HydroGIS model. This carries out integrated activities to develop a flood management model. The HydroGIS modelers encapsulate the hydro and GIS models to perform the flood management task. However, they integrate the decision makers and recipient concerns to the process to some extent. The fourth component of the framework is decision makers. They make flood management decisions using the HydroGIS tool. The final and fifth component in the model is recipient stakeholders. They are the prime target of flood management service delivery. They have to adjust their practices according to the flood management decisions. Then, they may be supported or resisted the decision. After the in-depth literature analysis and an international expert discussion, it developed the framework. The framework consists of 2 major groups. Those are the scientific components group and management components group. The light blue rectangles denote the stakeholders and the main components of the framework. The arrows between the components illustrate the existing integrations between different stakeholders whilst the present HydroGIS tool development process. The percentage value on the arrows shows that, what is the percentage of importance that the particular link has, when considering the importance of all other integrations.